What's happening with YouTube? It's another motherfucking Ratchet review. Got that pack in, dog. Pack in, pack motherfucking in. Man, first off, make y'all hit that like button if you fuss with your boy. So if you don't, hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Man, shout out to everybody that is fucking with your boy. Fuck you haters with a sick dick no rubber. Y'all already know. Shit, man, I ain't bust the pack up in a minute. You see, buddy got, paid $43 to have these things shipped from that Cali. That's why I be like, well, I used to be like, you know what I'm saying, man, you in Cali, hey, you got to, you know what I'm saying, you got to pay a little extra, and that's exactly why. But this is a throwback. This is a pair that shit I ain't seen in a long time, long time. The price was right there. I'm talking about the price was right there. It's better than bubble wrap, okay. Buddy said he taking the cue from the Chinese. Like I said, the price was right on there. I got these from Kixify. Still got to watch for the hook on there too, though. You know what I'm saying? Now y'all see size 12, Air Jordan 5 retro, blah blah blah. Fat limit. I got to make sure everything. You hear me? I said, blam. See size 12, Air Jordan 5 retro, black, varsity raw, varsity maze. And bam, that they is them Shanghai Shin 5s. Y'all just got to excuse me. I got to check out a couple things first, you hear me? Make sure I ain't got to act a donkey. Hold on. Okay. We good to go. Let's see one more thing. Yes, sir. Alright, shit. We good to go. Bam, alright. Well, yeah, that is. Like I said, them Shanghai Shin Jones. Them 5s. Got them for under 3. And shit. I ain't disappointed. Man, I'll do a full review on them coming up later. Just had to make sure everything on the up and up on the first rip, you feel me? But yeah, full review coming up on them later. Man, more packs coming. More everything coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with me.